Okay, so, sorry, this whole 15 minutes at a time thing's throwing me off. Okay, so, Kid Sense is amazing. I absolutely love it. I, again, only have Owie and Sleeplies, but I plan on getting the other three. Snifflies is probably one that we're going to need pretty soon with all the colds and stuff happening. Um, we've been very fortunate to not have colds in our very many colds in our house. Genius, or I say Genius, is really awesome for helping children focus. So if you have a child who, is really struggling in school or really struggling as a toddler just to stay on one task, Genius is awesome to diffuse in the house. It's awesome for your husband who can't stay on task either. Um, Tummy Jobs, is very similar to the Digest. It's just for children instead, and it works really well if you put a roller top on the bottle. Just roll it on to the stomach, or apply as directed. So, places to put the oils. Include this chart because flexology is amazing and it's very underused in my opinion. So I included all of these, or I found this image and I loved it because it included all of these, which like tell you kind of what areas to put the oils for what needs. So for your chest, which is, your heart or your lungs, sinuses, your nose, your lymph nodes, your throat. So all of these are super awesome to have head and teeth, for teething or for headaches. And then it tells you what kind of oils should go where for what purposes. So I thought this was an amazing chart, and please use it. It's amazing. It is. And this is for children specifically, because the adult foot is much more complicated as we grow. Our foot gets bigger, and there's so much more stuff we need to worry about. Anyway, so the feet is the perfect place to put oils, especially on children, because it goes directly to the problem area, without it being close to the eyes or the hands or the mouth. So our feet are amazing because that's like where all our blood vessels go. Not all of them, but like that's where I'm trying to explain it in not complicated terms. But basically we use flexology because you put it on your foot and the blood vessels from that area go directly to the area that, like our big toe goes directly to our head. And then our sinuses are in the middle of the big toe. So I'm kind of following the chart right now. So the middle of the big toe is where you'd want to put peppermint for easier breathing. Or eucalyptus would go on the top of the foot for the chest if you're struggling with a cold. So just different, really cool graphs that I thought y'all would enjoy. Anyways, moving on. You can put it on the chest. So I use eucalyptus. I know not a lot of people do on children, but I use eucalyptus and I'll put it, or peppermint, and just put it with the carrier oil diluted onto Rex's chest or his back. I'll diffuse it in his diffuser at night. So we do have Sleeplies actually right here. But I also have one in his room that is diffusing currently in his diffuser. Roller bottles are amazing, and I have one for the giveaway. I forgot to do the last giveaway, so I'll show that in a second. But roller bottles are super awesome. I will say roller bottles are meant to be, allow the liquid to roll out, so Be mindful to keep these up and down. There are some really awesome ones out there that are like tighter cased, but it just has a bottle top or roller on the top that actually comes out if you want to clean it, and then this pops off as well, so you can add the oils, put the top on, and then roll it on your skin. And it's awesome, and then you put the cap back on. I suggest leaving them up and down because they are roller bottles, so you turn upside down, it's meant to roll out. That one's good. It's meant to roll out onto your skin. So if you turn it upside down, in a bag or whatever, it's just loose, it's gonna get everywhere. Just a heads up with roller bottles. Another awesome trick that Young Living is just super cool about, in your starter kit, if you get the premium starter kit, they do include 2 roller tops that look like this, and you just pop off the top. So this is Pan Away. It comes in the starter kit, and I use this religiously on everything. It is Pan Away is specifically designed for pain, joint pain, neck pain, back pain. I roll it everywhere. So all you have to do is take your regular bottle and you pop this off, which you can just flip your nail in there and wiggle it enough times and it pops off. And then you push this one on it, and then it snaps on, and you're good to roll it on, and then close it up. And I will say the Young Living roller tops are by far superior to any roller bottle I've ever bought. That is Amazon bought. I will say that they have an amazing roller top that you can just snap onto the bottles, which if you use oils all the time and you have empty bottles laying around, convert them into roller bottles. Just soak them in vinegar, let it boil them, sterilize them, and then put a roller top on it. There will be a blog post about that coming shortly. Anyways, moving on. So roller bottles are a great way to get the oil on your child. And that's also a great way to go ahead and dilute without having to think, okay, I have a handful of coconut oil, how many drops can I do? If you just do, 10 drops in the bottle, then filling it with, sorry, I'm watching the monitor too, filling it with, olive oil or almond oil or whichever oil you chose, sunflower oil, would be a great way just to go ahead and dilute it, and then you can rub it on. Or if you have those empty essential oil bottles, pop the top off like a normal bottle. Pop the top off that's empty. Sterilize it, clean it, make sure there's no extra oil in it. Then make a diluted version of whatever oil you wanted to use on your child. So like for teething, a very popular oil for teething is, Michelle's gonna laugh at me because I always say this wrong. Copaiba. I always say copiaba. Copaiba, which is like this, or clove, which I actually just got some clove. It's starting to get those back oil, or the back teeth, just super fun. So if you want to make a roller bottle of this and roll it up and down their cheek, and clove is actually one that you can ingest, and same with copaiba, and you can just do like 1 drop, and I usually rub it into my hand first and then rub it on his gum, just so it's not the whole drop. But clove, it's a spice. I think it's considered a spice. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure clove is considered a spice, and you can just, I put a drop on my finger, and I don't rub that one in. I just rub it straight into his jaw. And it works really well to help with numbing, to help with the pain, to help with the inflammation that teething causes, just to help with the overall feeling of teething. It's not fun. Okay, so moving on to starter kits. Starter kits are amazing. You get 12 oils, which I actually have right here. This is what you get as a starter kit. And if you open it up, it's super pretty. And you get all your different oils, which I have pan away, but it doesn't fit in here because I have the roller top on it right here. So you get all these different oils. You get peppermint, lemon, thieves, citrus fresh, digest, valor, raven, pan away, lavender, and frankincense. Plus you get 2 bonus oils, peace and calming and stress away. You get the 2, and these are your starter oils plus pan away. And then you get stress away and peace and calming. Peace and calming is amazing for children. And you get 2 roller tops. So this is what it looks like outside, like if you have it not on the bottle. You get 2 of these. You can pop onto any one of them. You get samples of Nature Red, which is delicious. It's good for everything. I actually just started giving some to Breck as well. I give him about an ounce in his water. It helps, with antioxidants. It gives amazing amount of antioxidants. It helps with his immune support, with his just overall growth. It helps with his attitude and his energy levels. Not that he needs help with energy levels. It's just incredible. You get a Thieves cleaning spray, and you get a Thieves hand purification. And for the month of November, actually tonight and tomorrow are the last days. If you sign up for a starter kit, you automatically get 10 bonus points towards your essential rewards. So you also get a diffuser of your choice. Sorry, I forgot to include that. My diffuser is super old, but you do get a diffuser of your choice, and they have some really cool ones out there now. If you enroll in a starter kit, you also will belong to a wellness community. I found many, many friends through this community that have helped me and supported me and just given me so much knowledge on what I didn't know, but now I do know. You get 24% off retail values always, so you'll get the wholesale price. And then if you sign up for monthly rewards, you don't have to. You actually get free things all the time. So like after 3 months, I think you get peppermint oil. You get 15% back, I believe, for the first 3 months, and then it bumps up every couple months. And so like, who doesn't want free money and free rewards on things that you should be buying anyways? Yeah, it's so amazing. I definitely would encourage you to sign up for the monthly rewards. If you sign up for a starter kit and sign up to join Young Living's family, you do not have to sell anything. You do not have to join the business side. I just want to make that very clear. You can just do this for the oils themselves because they're amazing, powerful oils. So how to order premium starter kit. Actually, if you just click this button right here, it'll take you to a login page. Maybe. There you go. And then you just click continue. And it'll say that I'm your sponsor. If you want to choose someone else, that's fine too. It won't be hurt. You get to choose which diffuser you want. So I have this diffuser. Both of them are free. If you want to upgrade your diffuser, there's different kits you can get with upgraded diffusers. It tells you everything that I just told you that you get. You can enroll in the rewards kit right off the bat. You're like, yes, I'm excited. Oh, it's 25% back. Cool. If you're like, yes, I'm excited. I'm ready to start my journey. I'm going to use these all the time. I definitely suggest you enroll in the essential rewards. If you're still kind of unsure and you're, like $165 is a lot of money up front, plus shipping, so it's like $175, $180. It definitely, sorry, he's starting to roll around. And definitely